When I was Minister of Justice under Sister P, we designed an institution called the Integrity Commission. We wanted to make sure that it could ensure that corruption is tackled in this country. We developed the legislation, we brought it to Parliament. It passed after we left office in 2016. But it's like the Jamaica Labour Party want to mash up that institution. And I hear the Speaker of the House and the President of the Senate saying that they're going to stop reports from the Integrity Commission being tabled so that the public can be aware of what is going on in the country after the Integrity Commission investigates corruption or other wrongdoing in the public sector and saying they're not going to table a report. Nothing can go so. And the Auditor General, when she does her audits, for years and years and years, as she sends those audits to Parliament, they are tabled. Now the Speaker and the President are saying no. They're going to hold it for 2 months before them table it so that the public can see what is going on in those reports. Nothing can go so. I say to Jamaica, Jamaica, beware of this government. They cannot be trusted. They do not have good governance in their heart. They are scheming to prevent the truth from coming out. We don't know what they have to hide yet, but we know they're hiding something by their behavior. Jamaica wants a government that they can trust, that they can have confidence in, that is not here to scrape for themselves and them friends and them cronies, but is here to spend the resources that are supposed to go to the people, on the people, and for the people. And the government that I will lead, the next PNP government, is going to ensure that that happens. We will not countenance, we will not tolerate any kind of hanky-panky in the government.